Now we are going to talk about a very important and interesting feature in Koha, that is offline circulation. If you are not online and not on the live system of the Koha, you can very well use the offline circulation to issue and return the document using this offline circulation. To use this offline circulation, you will need to download the Koha offline circulation file and install in the system. When you install and open the offline circulation interface, you will get the interface like this, where you have to enter the borrower card number and press enter or click on accept. Then it will ask you to provide the item barcode. For example, 21, 22, 23, 24, I am giving 4-5 books issuing to this member, and these books will be issued to this member through offline circulation. Finally, you need to save this option. See, the button is not shown here because of the desktop resolution. I am just saving this option by pressing Ctrl A and enter. So you can save this option to the destination where you want to save it. Just click on save button and close this. See, now you have to upload the saved file where you have done the circulation to the database. Click on upload offline circulation file. If you remember, we saved, there are so many files here. For example, I am taking this one. Few minutes back I took it, means I did the circulation with this. I just click on open and upload the file to the database. Now add to offline circulation queue. Just click on add to offline circulation queue. So it will process the file and it will upload the circulation which will be lying pending for the further action. You can observe here your file is processed. Now click on pending offline circulation action. When you click on this button, so you will observe that the pending jobs are displayed here. Now you can select each of them one by one, or click on check all, so all the files will be selected, and just click on process. So you will observe that the items not found and all others are success. It means this particular barcode number is not available in the database. All other 5 items have been issued to the member number 2 for DP Tripathi. If you want to confirm whether my documents, means the offline circulation, has taken place or not, you can go to the particular member number as it was displayed, and you can see these many documents have been issued to this member. So in this way we can issue the record using offline circulation. Now coming to the next part of the offline circulation, that is the return. Straightway you can return the document also the way you issued the document, and just save it. I think it is not working because of the resolution. The process is same. You just save this file and upload it, and finally pending offline circulation action, use this button So it will return the document which you have done return through offline circulation. So this is the unique feature of the Koha, which allows you to do the circulation in offline mode also.